Ang topic po natin ngayon is about holes. Okay? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo, marami po itong klase. Mayroon holes defense. Okay, and then my holes relief. And then my holes soup. Okay? So, ang holes relief, marami siya. Maraming flavor. Maraming flavor ang holes relief. So, sa holes relief, may sugar free. May sugar free yung holes relief. This one is assorted mint flavor. Ang holes po, ang function sa holes, maganda po ito pag inuubo ka, yung nangangati yung lalamunan mo. So, maganda po ito. And then you keep coughing. So maganda ito pag may ubo ka and then nagtatrabaho ka and then you go in public places. You know, 'di ba? Nakakahiya 'yun nung nag-uubo ka. So parang hindi ka naman mahiya. Bumili ka nito at i-dissolve mo 'yun sa mouth mo. Maganda po talaga. And then it's very effective. Proven na po. Okay? So, kung sa mga taong may mga diabetes, ang piliin nyo bilhin yung holes na sugar free. Okay? Sugar free. So, marami siyang klase. This one is assorted mint flavor. This one is a honey lemon flavor, sugar free also. And then, mayroon tayong black cherry flavor. Meron tayong black cherry flavor. Okay? And then, this one, strawberry flavor. Strawberry flavor, holes relief. Okay? Then, sa mga, okay. This one, honey lemon, pero hindi siya sugar free. Para hindi kayo ma-confuse. This one is a sugar free. This one is nothing. This one just a regular one. Okay. And then mayroon tayong mountain menthol flavor. Mountain menthol flavor is a sugar free. Okay, and this one is a extra strong menthol flavor. Extra strong menthol flavor. Okay. This is new ones. Ngayon ko lang nakita ito. Maganda, is a max strength. Very good. This one a good one. And then para pang nighttime siya, ito, whole suit for nighttime. It's a honey chamomile. It's a honey chamomile. Maganda po siya. Then sa ngayon may di ba may pandemic ngayon also. Labi na tag-ulan na ngayon sa Pilipinas. Kahit dito sa Florida tag-ulan na rin. Okay, so madali tayong magkasakit, especially na yung uubuhin ta, di ba? Maganda rin ito, holes defense. Holes defense. Ang isa sugar free. Para sa may mga problema yung mga diabetic, ito. Pero kung wala kang problema and then gusto mo yung sugar free, okay lang. Nasa sayo na yun. So this one is sugar free holes defense. And then ang maganda nito, it's a 100% daily value vitamin C. It supports the immune system. This one is a good one. Help supports the immune system. Have a vitamin C in here. And this one is assorted citrus. It's assorted citrus. This one is assorted citrus also, pero regular lang siya, hindi siya sugar free. This one. Okay? So, basahin ko ha. Ito daw, warning. Warning lang ha sa mga mommies. This is not good for children under 4 years old. Holes is not good for children under 4 years old. Okay? So, ang suggested Okay, ang suggested use as a dietary supplement, take 1 serving. For ages 5 to 13, 5 to 13, do not exceed 2 serving per day. Okay, so for ages 14 and over, do not exceed 6 servings per day. If you are pregnant, nursing, or taking any medication, consult your doctor before use. And then you need to keep out of children, especially those under 4 years old. Okay? So kung bumili kayo nito, makikita naman ninyo ang suggested use niya. And then, parang kung punta kayo sa store, para madali lang sa tindera pag-locate, no? So, sabihin nyo lang, gusto kong bumili ng Halls Defense. And then, ibigay nyo anong flavor gusto nyo. Ito, assorted citrus. This one, Halls Relief. Punta kayong tindahan, gusto kong bumili ng Halls Relief cherry flavor. Okay? And then, meron ding Halls Relief sugar-free honey lemon flavor. Okay. So, yun ang madali lang yun malocate sa tindera. Hindi na mahirapan sa pagkuha sa shelf. Ito, Halls Relief Mountain Menthol flavor, sugar-free. Ito siya, Whole Sooth relieves cough and sore throat. This one. This one is made with real honey. Okay? So, marami din gusto nito. Okay? So, warning lang, as the doctor, for those people that have a persistent chronic conditions, you know, chronic cough such as occur with smoking, asthma, or emphysema, cough accompanied by excessive phlegm or mucus, something like that. If you have that kind of problem, like you are asthmatic and all of that, you need to ask the doctor. It's much better ask the doctor before dissolving this into your mouth. Okay, to make sure. Okay, so nakalagay dito, uses temporary relief cough due to a cold, occasional minor irritation of sore throat. So makikita ninyo dito. So maganda po ito. Marami na pong you know, naka-try nito, and very effective talaga. Very effective talaga. Okay, so pili lang kayo kung anong gusto nyo, anong flavor. Maraming flavor. Let me count the flavor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it, 12 flavor. So ngayon we have 12 flavor. So just choose which one. Pero 12 lang nandito sa akin, pero sa store kung saan kayo, anong location kayo, marami pa rin different flavor. Ito sa akin 12 lang. Alright guys, so I wish you know, this video help you out. Kung inuubo kayo, you know, baka hindi makuha sa mga, you know, ordinary lang na baka hindi makuha. So this one is a best alternative for you to buy. Ito. Baka hindi makuha sa mga yung mga liquid ba na iniinom. Kung hindi makuha, ito. This is the best for you to use kung nagta-travel ka, punta ka sa trabaho, maganda talaga ito. While you are in the jeep or the public transportation, you know, sitting besides, you know, somebody, di ba, nakakahiya you keep coughing. So ito, it relieves your cough, and then you cannot cough anymore beside somebody, and then diba, nakakahiya. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you out. Thank you so much, and see you some other time. Bye bye.